feeling I most ever had. I said, makes me feel so good. Oh, well, it's hard to be bad when the blues makes me feel so good. You listen to the blues, it goes straight to your soul. It doesn't matter whether you're young or you're old. I said the blues makes me feel so good. Well, it's hard to feel bad when the blues makes me feel so good. I said the blues makes me feel so good. I said the blues makes me feel so good. Well, it's hard to feel bad when you people from Wisconsin make us feel so good. Straight to your soul. It doesn't matter whether you're young or you're old. I said the blues makes me feel so good. Well, it's hard to feel bad when the blues makes me feel so good. I said the blues makes me feel so good. I said the blues, yeah, makes me feel so good. Oh, well, it's hard to feel bad when the blues make me feel so good. I said they got one. I said the blues. I said the blues. Well, it's hard to be bad when the blues makes me feel so good. I didn't really hear it, did you? I said the blues. I said the blues. Well, it's hard to be bad. You people make us feel so good. Thank you so much. Give it up to Matt Murphy on the bass. Give it up for Warren Grant back here on Smiles. Give it up for Spike over here, you know. like give it up for Spike. Hey, I want to thank the Prairie Blues Festival for having us. Thank you, Spike. Thank you for having us here. I appreciate you. I can't believe it's 2.1 decades ago that I was here. Seems like yesterday. But I appreciate you guys coming out and supporting live music, and all the bands that have been here can tell you the same thing. Thank you, 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 thank you. Last week we were in Netherlands. We had to say, dankjewel, dankjewel, dankjewel. That means thank you. Just letting you know, Spike. I gotta watch out, he has a microphone too. Yours truly, my name's Albert Cummings. Thank you so much for that, and thanks for having us here. And I did bring a few CDs if anybody wants to take us home tonight. And they're back at the merch center. I'm gonna go back and, as Mitch Hedberg said, if anybody wants to come to me and come to talk to me, I'll be surprised. Oh yeah, that's funny.